So, maxima minima problem solving. First in let's first start in the analysis of the sentences. So ito yung the product of two positive numbers is 16. Determine these two numbers so that the square of one plus the cube of the other is the smallest, or the minima. In solving the maxima and minima, same lang yung kanilang process. So first is to determine yung nasa first sentence. The product of two positive numbers, x and y, is equal to 16. So determine these two numbers so that the square of 1 plus the cube of the other is equal to the minima, or the smallest. S na ang ating gamitin dyan. So first step is using this, let us derive 1. Kailangan nating i-isolate yung isang variable. So let's use x. X is equal to 16 over y. Yan ang value ng x mo. Then, substitute this here. Magiging 16 over y squared plus y cubed equals s. Then, 256 over y squared plus y cubed equals s. Tapos, gagawin mo dyan, ang y squared dito sa denominator, pwede natin itaas. Magiging negative. Y squared plus y cubed equals s. Tapos, pwede na nating i-derive siya. Mas madali itong process na derivation na to kasi i-multiply nyo na lang sa coefficient yung exponent. So, magiging negative 512 y negative 3 plus 3y squared equals s. Ito na ay naka-s prime. Then, sabi nga s prime, then equate to 0. Ngayon, gawin muna natin is itong negative 512. Gawin natin over y. Yung cube, negative cube, ibababa natin. So, magiging positive na. Plus 3y squared equals s prime. Or we can already change this into 0. So that, kung ito i-transpose natin to the other side, magiging 3y equals, positive na siya kasi transpose, 512 over y cube. Ngayon, let us cross multiply. Ito'y over 1. Cross multiply 3y to the 4th. Oops, y squared to. 3y to the 5th is equal to 512. Then, y to the 5th is equal to 512 over 3. Let's see kung pwede pa siyang let's use the calcu para mas mabilis. 512 divided by 3. So, hindi siya divisible. Fraction siya. So, pwede sulat na natin na y to the 5th is equal to y is equal to the square root at the 5th root of 512 over 3. Actually, pwede natin siyang ipanghiwalay. The square root of the 5th root of 512 over the 5th root of 3. So, itong 512, trinay ko siyang i-divide sa 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, or 2 to the 5th, which is equal to 32. May lumabas na sagot, 16. So, kung ito ay 5th root of 32 times 16, 32 ay 2 to the 5th. So, maka-cancel out. Lalabas yung 2. Magiging 2 the 5th root of 16. So, yan. Aris. Nagmamadali at. Para ako nagmamadali dito. So, pwede mo siyang i-rewrite as 2 the 5th root of 16 all over the 5th root of 3. Ngayon, Here's the harder part. Dito natin ilagay. Kasi ito ay equal sa kapag ni-rationalize natin. So, lipat tayo ng medyo. So, 2, the square root of the fifth root. Lagi ng square root, 16. All over the fifth root of 3. Multiply natin siya. Or para hindi kayo mas malito, ito ay equal sa 2 the quantity 16 1 over 5 over the quantity 3 1 over 5. So, kung i-rationalize natin to, yung denominator, titingin tayo, ano i-multiply natin sa 1/5 para siya ay maging 5. Ano i-multiply natin sa numerator para siya ay maging 5. So, joke. Ano yung i-add natin sa 1/5 para siya ay maging 5? So, 4/5. Kasi 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Magiging 5 over 5 which is equal to 1. Gets niyo ba? Gets niyo ba? So, sa taas din to. 4 over 5. So, magiging sagot dyan, 2, 16, 1/5 times 3 raised to 4/5 all over 3. So, wala pa tayo dyan makakancel. Yan na yung value ng y mo. Huwag mo muna i-simplify. Actually, pwede pa itong i-simplify. 16 is equal to 4 squared, diba? So, pwede ang gawin natin 2, para mas simple, 4 squared. Ang squared mapupunta sa numerator all over kung ano yung root, fifth root, times 3 4/5 all over 3. May pagmumultiply ba tong 4 at 3? Hindi. Kasi, we can only multiply those who have the same exponent. Ang exponent nito is 2/5, ang exponent nito is 4/5. Even though para sa kanilang denominator, yung basis nila hindi parehas. So, bawal na bawal silang ipagsama. Parang yung sa ano lang din, yung sa mga dating, basta yung dating diniscuss. Bawal mong i-multiply sa hindi magkatulad na exponent yung dalawang object. Basta hindi kasi sila magka-same base din. Basta hindi same bases, bawal i-multiply. So, ito na yung value mo ng y. So, kung isa-substitute natin sa dito, pwede pa itong iyan. Oh, pwede. May discovery ako doon. Ala, pumapangit ang aking whiteboard, so wag na lang. So, ito, magiging x equals 16 over yung lahat ng ating nilagay dito. I-shortcut na lang natin 2 times 4 to the something, then 3 to the something all over 3. Here's a tip. Kapag meron kang complex fraction, yung fraction dun sa baba, mapapadpad yan sa taas. Bakit? Kasi 16 divided by all this, magiging 16 times the reciprocal of this. Ano reciprocal nito? Nasa denominator to, nasa numerator to. So, magiging equals 16 times 3 all over 2, 4 raised to something, and 3 raised to something. So, ito maka-cancel out. Cancel out. Ito magiging 4. 4 times 3. X equals 12 over 4 raised to something and 3 raised to something. Now, may something kasi tayo dito. So, kailangan natin yon i-conjugate. Joke. It's not conjugation. Kailangan natin yon i-rationalize. So, ito yung x is equal to 12 over, ilagay na natin dito yung original talaga, 4 raised to 2/5 and 3 raised to 4/5. So, rationalize. How do we rationalize this? Siyempre, may 4 ka ditong base and may 3 ka ditong base na kailangan yung exponent nila, i-add natin dito and yung exponent nila ay mag-i-equal to 1. Actually, kung baka nalito-lito kayo kasi a raised to a number, kunyari x, times a raised to another number is equal to a x plus y. I-add natin siya ha. I-add natin yung maging exponent natin dito sa may base na 4, dapat mag-i-equal to 1. Hindi natin i-multiply. I-add natin. So, pwede na sabihin na lang natin 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So, 3/5 to. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Magiging 1/5 to. So, kapag pinag-add natin 3 plus 2, 5 over 5 is equal to 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 over 5 is equal to 1. So, magiging 12, wait lang. Medyo na-mind block ako doon. Joke, hindi to 12. Nagugulo na ako. So, since ito ay rationalize, kung ano yung nasa denominator, yun din ang yung gagawin sa numerator. Ito ay the same as over square root of x. Multiply square root of x over square root of x para lang sa denominator ay maging x plus square root of x para walang radical sa denominator. Kasi mas madali to iso-solve doon sa susunod nating gagawin kesa kapag meron siyang nasa denominator na radical. Sobrang hirap. Grabe. So, mangyayari, nasa denominator niya, obviously, is 4 and 3. 4 times 3, 12. So, ang nasa numerator niya ay para may kulang. May kulang talaga. Wait lang. Feel ko talaga may kulang. Ba't na-feel ko may kulang? Shit. Nasaan yung kulang? Check ulit natin to. So, ang value ng y is 2, 2, 2, 2. Ayun! Nalimutan natin yung 2 sa denominator. So, dapat ay... Hindi Nitaas na natin. 16 over y. 16 divided by 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Let's move on na nga. Mamaya natin yung asikasuhin yan. So, malaki. 12 times the quantity 4 3/5 at saka 3 1/5. Yan, makakancel natin to. Wait lang guys. Feel ko may kulang. Talaga. Legit.